I don't know. Yeah, you want to put it in the back? Okay. That's fine. I'm just going to get a few things.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Okay.
Enjoy.
Okay, bye. Yes, can I get a cucumber mint lemonade?
I made you another one on the house.
Oh, I appreciate that. Thank you. So I ordered one. This is like one of my favorite like to-go drinks these days, especially during the summer. Made from Salad and Go. And I feel bad I didn't order anything else, but I just really wanted the drink. But they gave me one on the house, so I'm going to take that home to my son. He likes these. Salad and Go. That was really cool. Thank you. But if you do have a Salad and Go, get this drink. It's really refreshing, especially if, you know, you're hot, you're thirsty. It's so busy today. So I am going to recreate those beef and bean burritos. My son likes those. I actually like those when I don't feel like cooking, but I'm going to recreate and freezer prep those at home. So here we go. Okay, so let's make these burritos. This is almost 2 pounds of ground beef, 2 pounds of ground beef. I have leftover refried beans and black beans. I made these black beans and froze them and kind of meal prepped them not too long ago when I did burrito bowls, and I just thawed the black beans, but you can just use pinto beans. You can boil your own pinto beans. These were leftover refried beans, and then like I said, I had the black beans. I'm also going to be adding some beef bouillon powder, fancy light chili powder, ground cumin, granulated onion powder, and some garlic powder with salt and pepper blend. And let's just put it together. For the tortillas, I'm using store-bought burrito size. You definitely can make these from scratch. I do all the time. I'll link a video for you somewhere in the description, but this is what we're going with today. Okay, so preheat your pan. Add a little cooking oil if you're working with lean ground beef. Then we're going to go in. Let that brown. Okay, just kind of break it apart. I'm going to give it a flip. This is all the seasonings that I mentioned earlier. Check the description below for the measurements or what I used. I'm going to add a little bit of smoked paprika. So I think what I'm going to do, I like black beans, but I have these left over. I think I'm going to add just a little bit of the refried beans and add this whole container of black beans. Okay, so I have my refried beans in, and now all of the black beans. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. And now just reheat these. I might add a little bit of water, maybe like a half cup, and let it simmer until everything gets really cooked. And you kind of want it just mushy. You know what, on second thought, I'm just going to add all the refried beans. I really want this to be packed with like fiber from the beans and the savory meat. So if you were working with canned beans, I would say 2 cans of your favorite beans. Whether it be whole pinto, refried, black beans, it's up to you. I'm going to add water. That should be enough. I added a little bit of salt and pepper into the mix. And I'm going to let this simmer until it thickens and everything just tastes great and is heated through. Okay, I'm going to shut off the heat, and this is done. And I'm going to let this kind of set and cool before we start to assemble the burritos. Okay, so I think it should be cooled. Let's start assembling the burritos. Okay. I didn't even heat these through. They're soft and pliable. So we're going to put that there. Okay. Now I'm just going to get a little scoop. I'm not even going to measure. Hopefully I can get at least like 10 to 12. That's going to go on. Okay, so there's that. I never remember. Is it like that where you pull back and then you fold? Once I get into the groove of things, it'll probably, oh, come on. Yeah, finish out like that. Okay, there. There we have it. Okay, I'm going to do one more. So, yeah, because it kind of curls up that way. At the rate that I'm filling these, hopefully I get at least 8. Okay. Let me pull back a little bit so I can, there we go. Okay, I think this one was better. Yeah, that's better. Like that? Yeah. So I managed to get 10, and I'm gonna wrap them in parchment paper and put them in the freezer. They are freezer prepped, but here I put some cheese in a nonstick pan. I'm gonna do like a grilled cheese burrito, and this is probably like maybe a 1/2 cup to 2/3 cup. I'll put this a little bit lower, and I'm gonna let this start melting and get crispy. Okay, this one, I'm gonna put it like right there. Just, yeah, give that like a minute or so. Okay, so I'm going to attempt to try to wrap this in like the melty, crispy cheese. Here we go. Okay, let's see if I can, oh, yeah. So, I have no idea what I'm doing. I really want this to work though. Oh my God, it's working. But it's still kind of stuck. Oh yeah, that needs to still cook. Oh. I'm gonna flip this around. Oh, that looks good. Grilled cheese burrito. Huh. Ooh. Not what I wanted to happen. Toasty. Here we go. That's good. Okay, I got parchment paper, and I'm gonna wrap these. Maybe I made this parchment paper too big, but it'll do what I need it to do here. And there we go. It's wrapped. Maybe it's easier this way. Okay, now they go into my baggie, my freezer bag. Maybe if I do them this way. I'll do 5 in one bag. There we go, ready for the freezer. Okay, so I have these ready for the freezer. Not bad. To reheat them, all you would need to do is take them out of the freezer, pop them into the air fryer, into the oven, maybe like 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, or until they're cooked in the center or reheated in the center and a little crispy on the outside. That's how you do it. Not bad. Meanwhile, this grilled cheese burrito, beef and bean burrito, is just top notch, top drawer. Mmm.